Are you tired of eating out, overspending on groceries, or not knowing what to cook? What if you could follow a done-for-you plan that makes healthy eating effortless for just $5? Introducing the 21-Day Meal Prep Plan by The Digital Edge. This isn't just another cookbook. It's a simple, strategic system that gives you 3 weeks of nutritious, budget-friendly meals plus printable grocery lists and step-by-step prep guides. Here's how it works. Each week, you get a complete breakdown of meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, mapped out and ready to follow. The ingredients? Easy to find. The steps? Beginner-friendly. And the best part? You'll save time, money, and energy while fueling your body with real, wholesome food. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just eat clean, this guide takes out all the guesswork. Thousands of busy professionals, parents, and health-conscious beginners are using this exact plan to finally stick to their goals. No crash diets, no gimmicks, just results. For less than the price of a fancy coffee, you'll get a complete system that keeps you eating clean for 21 days straight without stressing about what's for dinner. Ready to take control of your health without the overwhelm? Tap the link in my bio or visit thedigitaledge2023.com/library to grab your $5 21-day meal prep plan PDF now. Trust me, your future self will thank you.